Well, since y'all loved my how to give a penis massage video, I figured I'd bring this trusty guy along for this video again. So today we're going to talk about how to make friends with a penis, because it's come to my attention that a lot of you are not very close with your penis friend. So if you are dating somebody who owns a penis, odds are they would be really happy if you made a good friendly relationship with their penis. But I want to talk to you about how, because what I've learned from the clients that I'm working with is that sometimes people have really tough relationships with their penis. They're the penis and the penis owner. Oh my God, I'm talking about them like they're not even a person. The person who owns this penis and the penis, right? But so people have these connections where it's like, oh, the penis is scary, or oh, there's ways that women have pressured themselves to think, if there's an erection, I have to deal with it. I should feel this, and so it's interesting that this relates back to my sex neutrality video, which is what I want you to start with is just start creating a neutral relationship with a penis. And what that might mean is develop familiarity, right? So I've got this here to kind of explain how you can build familiarity. Say you're laying and you're cuddling with your partner who owns a penis. How to become familiar and neutral with a penis might be you just rest your hand on it while you're laying there. You don't do anything. You don't have to wiggle it or jiggle it. You can literally just sit there and have your hand resting on it. And again, what you're doing is you're developing familiarity, and there may be a lot going on in your brain. So again, if you're staying neutral just looks like be present with that penis and notice, yep, my hand is on there and it's okay for my hand to be on a penis. That's a neutral statement, thought. And if your body is activated doing it, then take time to deep breathe and remind yourself that you don't have to do anything. You don't have to feel anything at that moment, that it's okay to just be present with that penis. And a lot of becoming friends with a penis does involve neutrally connecting with it, neutrally touching it, neutrally looking at it, and allowing your brain to just stay in a very, I don't have to feel anything about this. I don't have to feel positive or negative about this. But I am just working towards being comfortable with the fact that my partner has a penis and that I'm familiar with it. And you could be laying on the couch, so I'm on the couch right now, and watching a show and making friends with it or becoming familiar with it might look like touching it, but just kind of not necessarily to try and get it off, but just to become familiar with the sensation of touching it or becoming familiar with the way it looks. What I would love if I could have my couples do this is moments where they're doing exploratory touch with a penis. So for example, you're laying on the couch and you're watching a show, but you kind of move it this way and that way. It's not necessarily erect. I know I've got a big erect penis, but I'm talking about a flaccid. So if it was kind of like this hanging around, you're just moving it this way and you're moving it that way, but just kind of looking. So on this fake penis, I'm looking at the vessels. So maybe you're paying attention to the vessels. Maybe you're noticing the wrinkles on the balls. But again, you're staying in a very neutral space as you explore it. Because what happens is if people are putting pressure on themselves constantly, it's a penis, I should just like it. I should just want to be next to it. I'm so excited. It's too much pressure and it's unrealistic. And it actually prevents you from creating the relationship with the penis that you want. Or that let's be fair, that your partner wants. Because we know it's a bunch of guys please touch my penis, right? I understand. So what you're working towards in creating a relationship with a penis is penis neutrality. So that is my challenge to you today. How do you create a neutral relationship with the penis that isn't reactive on either side and that just kind of feels calm in your system? All right, you have been listening to me. And you can visit me at therapistanddatelows.com to make an appointment. You can also like and subscribe and leave a comment below.